you need to subscribe, because here naturally we teach plants, we teach herbs, we teach leaves, we teach plant back, we teach roots, and we teach mm. We are teaching these plants. Yes. So what is the name of this plant? Okay, I'm going to make a tea out of it. The leaves, I'm going to make a tea. Okay. This is um lemongrass. Lemongrass. It has uh, a sweet scent. When you boil it and the tea is out, you can see and smell. Though you can't see the scent, but you can see and smell. Yeah. So when you finish preparing your tea, you can just cool it and take it. Taking it, the importance of taking it is what I'm about to teach you. So the diabetes patients, where are you? This lemongrass is a special remedy for those people. Diabetes. So those with diabetes have gone for checkups upon checkups, and so the the disease is still growing. Cut it short or bring it down with lemongrass. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Um, the diabetes patients, you boil, you take out the tea from the leaves after boiling, drain it out, cool it, take it in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Half a cup, half a cup, half a cup. And those with heart attack, and people, they will tell you, my heart is aching. I don't know how it looks like when someone's heart is aching, but the most important thing is either aching or not pumping well or anything else, heart problem. Let lemongrass be your friend. Be your friend. So I'll teach you how to make the tea out of this lemongrass leaf. That's why you need to subscribe to this channel, because I'm teaching you free things so that we can heal ourselves from small ailments. The heart disease, those suffering from heart disease, we just boil this, just filter it, add small honey, and then we drink. That's all. Take it for 1 month. Those with malaria, just 7 days. Just prepare this lemongrass. Take it morning, afternoon, evening for 7 days. It is gone. It's not magic. It's real. Okay, let's go to the next one. Those with high cholesterol, like sometimes you have to go to the hospital for some supplement to reduce your weight and all that stuff. Let lemongrass be your friend. And lemongrass be your friend, you just have to pick the leaves. Pick the leaves. Just take your knife, pick the leaves, put them in water, wash, put it in the cooking pot. After putting it in the cooking pot, you then add water, boil. When it's finished boiling, you just drain the water out of it and then put it in the fridge. When it cools, you take it, half a cup, half a cup in the morning, half a cup in the afternoon, half a cup in the evening. Well, let's continue on. There's a special disease that also this herb is very good. When you take the roots, this lemongrass, you can take the roots, The root is very powerful. You get plenty roots. You get the roots, those with that is hepatitis B. Get the roots and just get a lot of these roots. You take a lot of the roots. You then boil. After boiling, you grind. That is the ginger. You grind the ginger. Don't add the ginger to the boiling process. After boiling, take or drain the liquid out of this, and then grind the ginger or blend the ginger, filter, and then pour it into the tea made from this root. Put it in your fridge. Take a drink in the morning, afternoon, evening. 1 month later, go and check the level of that hepatitis B. Yeah. There are a lot of things to be taught on this channel. I'm going to teach you how to prepare a tea from this. Yes, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a tea from this. So you have to subscribe to the channel for the next update, for the next video. When I update any remedy or any plant, you'll be the first to watch. Yeah. So I'm going to show you how to prepare the tea from this lemongrass. Yeah. Thank you.